Hello and welcome to another video about this awesome cryptocurrency Cardano. I'm sure everybody who's checking their portfolio is now very happy. What I said this morning has finally happened. I expected it yesterday or today that we would break through the 150 resistance. I mentioned it again this morning that the 150 level was one of the most significant Cardano resistance levels. We've seen it over the last 3 days. You can see it here. 3 candles testing that 150 level, and today we've moved in a huge jump above it, and the volumes are going up slightly as well, which is amazing. And it seems finally that Cardano is catching up because it has lagged behind some of the price moves of the other cryptocurrencies, and this is what I expected. I mean, I've been talking about a Cardano explosion in the last few days. I think tomorrow there could be something else happening which would even increase the Cardano price further, and I will talk about that in this evening's video, so stay tuned. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to the channel. But this is a huge sigh of relief, I would say, because this in the past, this 150 level has been tested 4 times and it was resistance at least 4 times, and now it will probably, and it probably has to happen, it has to be tested again from the top, from the upside, so to make sure that this level will remain a support level, and I'm sure it will. I mean, this jump has now been significant. I mean, this morning we were at like 145, I think, and now we've just jumped to 156. So a really, really significant jump, and this is changing a lot for Cardano because this has held Cardano back down artificially. It has stopped Cardano to catch up from to the other cryptocurrencies. I mean, Ethereum has developed much more in the last few days because of the hard fork, the London hard fork, and we know that the Alonso hard fork is coming. But I had the view that Cardano was lagging behind and there was a lot to catch up. So finally we are seeing a higher high here. Yes, that needs to be confirmed. This candle needs to close at that level, but my view is it will. With that momentum now, it is really good. And the RSI, the momentum indicator down here, or oscillator it actually is, it is going up as well. We need to be careful. We are now heading into overbought territory. However, the RSI is still going up, which shows that the price moves are actually going up further. But I'm not too worried actually, and that I'm not too worried because the price increase has been slower than on other cryptocurrencies. So we're not that, we haven't gone up too fast, I think, but it still is a significant price increase from just $1 to 156 in just a couple of weeks or 3 weeks. So we need to be a bit careful. Just be aware of FOMO. There will always be another opportunity to go in. I think because of that huge jump, I think there will be at some point another correction. But yeah, it is still. I think it would still be, if you invested for the long term. It's never a good time. Well, it's always, yesterday was always a better time to invest. But if you think about going in now, I can't make a recommendation here because this is not financial advice. But I'm buying regularly anyway. I'm buying cost averaging. So I think that is a good way of doing it. But it's a good sign. It's just a good sign because it shows that ADA is finally catching up. And if we have a look at CoinMarketCap and look at all the other cryptos, they're actually losing a bit. They're losing a bit. So could money finally go into Cardano from other cryptocurrencies? That is the sign we've been waiting for. Cardano has a lot of potential, and we finally need to see that in the price. We can now move to new all-time highs fairly quickly, I think. I think the next resistance level is sort of in this range here, 160 to 165. But I think it's not a huge one. There is a big one. Where am I now? 1 second. I've just jumped to Bitcoin, US dollar. I need to go back to Cardano. I missed it. I just need to open it again. 1 second. I'll be back in a second here at Cardano. We take a look at the Coinbase price. Sorry about that. There is a big one here at 175. You can see that here that was tested back in May a few times. So 175, I think it's another significant one. But all the moving averages, we're already above all the moving averages. So signs are looking really positive. I think it won't take long, just a few weeks, until we see new all-time highs. That's my own personal prediction. Please bear in mind, I'm extremely bullish on Cardano. This is heavily biased, but I wouldn't tell you that if I wouldn't believe it. So We are still bull run, Bitcoin bull run 2.0 looking really good. Cardano finally catching up. Everything's positive. I'll keep you updated. This evening, as I said, I will do another video why tomorrow Cardano could explode even further. And there are there's some information coming out tomorrow, and I want to talk about that in this evening's video. So this is really just a brief update in actually in my lunch break, but I just wanted to do it because it just happened and it's so significant. It makes me happy. All right, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.